Hello! Today I have another Dior box to open, and from the beginning I want to tell you guys it's not sponsored. Everything you see in our videos, we bought it with our money, and that's why it's going to be honest opinions about everything. So this is from my son, and it's for my birthday, I am guessing. Because he have been keep giving me hints. It's a little card and it says happy birthday. And again, Dior is very great with packaging. I love opening Dior boxes. Ooh, this is so cute. This even have extra. So these are the gifts. They put it on the side. This is Dior Addict. At my other video, which we're gonna put it on the corner here somewhere, I tested this Dior Addict lip maximizer. It's so cute, tiny and adorable. So they're fine. Yeah, I don't believe something you would put your lips and will make them bigger. But I naturally have normal lips. They're not thin, they're not overly thick or anything. So I tried it. I always thought I would like this color. It's like a pink, 001. But honestly, I like one of their darker color. I just didn't like the feeling. I guess they have like some kind of stuff in it, like makes your lips tingly and you feel like your lips are growing. It's not happening, don't believe that. But this is adorable, cute. You can just put in your small bag. These are the Jadore. Oh, so adorable. Little tiny bottle, so cute. Oh, it smells so good. This smells really yummy. And this one is, this really smells good. I'll put my tea. I love this English breakfast tea called Rishi. I don't know if you like tea. I can't take everything down below too. The tea, the nail polish, I just bought it. I loved it. I'm gonna link them for you guys. And this is the other one. This one is pink. This one is yellow. So this is the Perfume. And this is just the perfume. Oh, they definitely smell different. This just perfume one is more floral. Yum. Okay, let's get going to see what's the real gift. Oh, there is more stuff underneath. That's not too smart to put more stuff under this stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of more testers. So this is the Capture to Tell. Yeah, I use this one. I like it. I can make a video about it too. If you guys interested, let me know. And this is again Jadore in Perfume, the smaller tester. This is Dior Home for men. I'm gonna give this to my little son. And these are Dior Forever Skin Glow. Okay, you can test them too. Probably one of the lighter colors would work for me. This is that. And then this is another mascara. You can test this too. We did the other one. This is Maximizer 3D. I'll probably give this to someone else because I don't need it. I have very long lashes, but I like them look thicker, so this Dior have some little particles in it to make your eyelashes thicker. That's what I love it. It says this one actually makes it curly, So let's get going. Let's see what's in here. It has some plastic at the side, outside. This winter's boxes designs are so cute. It's beautiful. I got Miss Dior. It's a set. He got me a little set. This is for travel size. It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous bottle. It's pink, but it's like not a loud pink. It's a baby pink, pastel. All right. Let's see how does it smells. Delicious. Very light, very floral, vanilla. Smells really great. You guys, you know, if you want to read what's in it, you can go to the Christian Dior's website and read it. I don't want to just go there and read you whatever you can reach at from a website to take your time. Just like smells very light, very clean, very pretty. It is pretty. So this is the same. Oh, pretty, beautiful bottle. I like the ribbon. That's new design. It's pink and sparkly. Gorgeous bottle. It's pink. It's beautiful. It's pretty. It's very light. If you're a person likes fresh and clean smell, vanilla, roses, and very, very fresh perfumes, this is your perfume. It's very, very pretty. I personally like a little bit more strong ones, like I tested this one, for example. So I like this guys too, these little ones, Jadore. They are so cute bottles. It's beautiful. It's pink. It smells very fresh, very floral with vanilla. It could be a great birthday gift, great Christmas gift, or any celebrations you want to give to someone, or just buy it for yourself. Beautiful. It smells really great. I like this small bottle. It smells really great. I will link them down below. Also, you can go to the Christian Dior's website and you can find them there. Thanks for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye. Pika. Beautiful Pika.